So guys, in this video we are going to learn how to install WordPress in our cPanel. Okay, so this WordPress is very important for us to host, or for us to make our blog, our blogging website, to come online, to come active. Okay, all right. So if you go to cPanel, and if you go to cPanel, you're going to see the place they wrote Softaculous app installer, right? It is on both your Anista host and also in Namecheap host. Every cPanel has this. Okay, if you can't find it here, you can just type it here, right? Or you go to this place they wrote WordPress manager by Softaculous. Okay, but you will easily find it here. So you click on it and it's going to open. So when it opens, it might open something like this, or it might open the WordPress manager. Okay, so I'll click on the WordPress manager and it will open. So let me just explain what WordPress is. WordPress is an application that is used to build a modern website, both website and blog, right? It is one of the most commonly used uh, website builder. Okay, that's because it is easy to use. It has uh, so many tools, so many features that makes your web designing easy, right? It makes it possible for people that does not know how to do coding, like to do Python coding, JavaScript, HTML, all those languages, for them to, it makes it easy for you and I to design a website till it suits our taste. Okay, so at this place we are now inside the WordPress management, right? So you're going to click on install. This tool you are seeing here is this one is my main website, which is, this one is the main blog which I'm using for this tutorial sake, and this one is another one which possibly when you entered into this training, this is the one I used to create my landing page, right? So we are not going to use this tool. I'm going to install a new one so that I will show you how to do it. Okay, so you click on install. When you click on install, remember you might not see this tool, your own may be blank, but you have to click on install, right? So when you click on install, it will open this place. Okay, so what we are doing now is that we are installing the latest version, which is 6.3. As at the time of doing this video, the latest version is 6.3. They have 6.2.2, they have 6.1.3 and the rest. So these ones are the outdated version of the WordPress application, right? So the latest version is this. So we are using the upgraded version, which is 6.3. Now the next thing is choose installation URL. Where do you want your WordPress software to be installed in? Which domain? Okay, which domain URL, or which URL do you want it? So this one is my main domain. I have the blog there, so I'm not going to install it here. I'm going to put directly. Okay, there's what I call indirectly. That is this indirectly. Are you seeing it? Okay, so let me call it tutorial. But in your own case, don't put anything here. Let it be blank. If there is anything here, just delete it and let it be blank. Okay, you can just delete it and install it like this. Just don't do anything here. But because I've already have my blog there, I'm not going to install it here. Okay, so I'll put something here. All right, so you go down, you see where they wrote site name. You can call it, maybe if your site is about tech, if you are building a tech website, you put tech here, right? Then you put your site description. You can call it maybe description, maybe call latest tech, maybe updates. You can decide to just give a short description of what your site content is all about. Okay, then you put admin username. You can put admin, that is your login detail, the thing that you'll be using to log into the WordPress application. Okay, so you put admin here. Just follow my step, don't worry. Just put admin here. Then password, you can put a password that you like. Okay, like me, since I'm using this video for tutorial sake, I'll just use this password. But in your own case, find a strong password and put a password that you will not forget easily. Then admin email. Remember guys, I told you guys to create an admin a webmail before. The one we created before was info@domainname.com. Okay, so I told you that you can create two, which is admin@domainname.com and info@domainname.com. So you must have, by now you must have created these two email. So you have not done, if you have not done that, just go and create it before coming to this section. Okay, so I'll go with admin@mydomainname.com, right? So we'll go down and click on install. Click on install. Okay, so you're going to give it some few minutes. It takes up to 3 minutes before it will install completely. See, it have installed completely, right? So it didn't take time. So look at this. It says congratulations, the software was installed successfully, right? So guys, you have installed WordPress. Okay, so this is how to install WordPress. This video is going to be very short. So in the next video, we are going to go into the admin dashboard, right? That is where we call backend. That is where you upload the theme that is going to make your blog to become live, right? So guys, see you in the next video.